A brick path leads up to this sunny cape located in quiet Barrington, close to local parks, shopping, and schools. The welcoming porch has bar seating where you can enjoy a drink or a casual meal. Step into the dining room and share a formal meal prepared in the adjoining kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, and custom cabinetry. A shed ceiling extends over the large living room, where a charming wood stove warms the room and creates a wonderful atmosphere for entertaining. The first-level master suite has a relaxing bay window bench and a private bath with a glass-enclosed shower and a whirlpool tub. Completing the main level is a second generous bedroom, another full bath, and an office space with an atrium door leading out to the rear deck. Enjoy an outdoor meal or gather friends and family in the fenced-in lot for games and activities. On the second level are 2 more bedrooms, which can also be used as playrooms, offices, or family rooms. This quiet neighborhood is within walking distance to both Haines Park and Primrose Hill, an elementary school in Barrington's nationally recognized education system. The Riverside Plaza and downtown Barrington give you plenty of nearby shopping and dining options. Travel the scenic East Bay bike path or stay in town and visit the town beach or YMCA. Commute to Providence in only 20 minutes and enjoy all of the splendor of the award-winning restaurants and theaters. For more information, call Lindsay Mitchell of the Kirk Shriver team at area code 401-480-2221.